Imagine if someone could tell you exactly what foods your body craves just by looking at your DNA. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of nutrigenomics, which is how your genetics affect your response to food. It's personalized nutrition, tailored just for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Now, let's get started. Your body is an amazing machine that requires the perfect blend of nutrients to function optimally. But did you know that your genes play a significant role in determining what those perfect nutrients are? Genes are like the instruction manual for your body, dictating how it processes and reacts to the food you eat. Certain genes can influence your metabolism, affecting how your body breaks down food for energy. They also play a role in food tolerances, helping your body digest certain components like carbohydrates, fats, or proteins. And they even influence your nutrient needs, determining which vitamins and minerals your body requires in larger or smaller amounts. But here's the kicker: everyone's genetic makeup is unique. Just like a snowflake, no two individuals have the same genetic blueprint. This means that the way your body responds to food and the nutrients it needs may be completely different from your best friend, your neighbor, or even your own family members. So why does this matter? Well, understanding how your genes influence your dietary needs can help you make informed food choices leading to better health outcomes. It allows you to create a customized diet plan that works best for you, taking into account your unique genetic makeup. And that's where genetic testing comes in. These tests analyze your DNA, providing valuable insights into your body's response to food and its nutritional requirements. By understanding these responses, you can proactively manage your health, preventing potential issues before they arise. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, manage a specific health condition, or simply curious about your unique nutritional needs, genetic testing may provide the answers you've been searching for. Are you intrigued? If so, keep watching as we unravel the power of genetic testing in personalized nutrition. Certain genes can influence various aspects of our health, including our response to food and our nutritional needs. For example, the FTO gene has been linked to body weight and the risk of obesity. The MTHFR gene influences the body's ability to metabolize certain B vitamins, while the APOE gene affects how the body processes fats, including cholesterol. These genes can interact with the food we eat, influencing how our bodies digest, absorb, and utilize nutrients. By understanding how these genes work and their effect on our bodies, we can gain insight into our individual nutritional requirements and develop personalized eating plans that optimize our health. One way that genetics influences our response to food is through our taste preferences. Have you ever wondered why you love the taste of bitter foods like broccoli or despise the flavor of cilantro? Well, it turns out that your genes play a role in shaping your taste preferences. Certain genetic variations can affect the way your taste receptors perceive flavors, influencing whether you find a particular food appealing or unappetizing. For instance, individuals with certain genetic variants may be more sensitive to the bitter taste of vegetable like Brussels sprouts, leading them to avoid these foods. On the other hand, some people may have a genetic makeup that makes them less sensitive to bitterness, opening up their palates to a wider range of healthy foods. Food tolerances is another area where genetics plays a significant role. The ability to digest certain components of food, such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, can be influenced by our genes. One common example is the lactose gene, which affects the body's ability to digest lactose, the sugar found in milk and dairy products. Individuals with a genetic variant that results in low levels of the lactase enzyme may experience digestive discomfort when consuming dairy products since they lack the necessary enzyme to break down lactose. Another example is the ability to metabolize caffeine, which can vary based on genetic factors. Some people may have a genetic makeup that makes them more sensitive to caffeine, meaning they may experience increased anxiety or difficulty sleeping after consuming the same amount of caffeine as someone else. Understanding your genetic makeup can help you identify potential food tolerances and make informed choices to ensure optimal digestion and well-being. Next, let's talk about nutrient needs. Our genes can also influence the amount of specific nutrients that our bodies require. For example, variations in the MTHFR gene can affect the body's ability to process certain B vitamins, such as folate. Individuals with these genetic variants may have a higher requirement for these B vitamins, making it important for them to consume foods rich in these nutrients or consider supplementation. Similarly, genes involved in iron metabolism, like HFE, can influence the body's ability to absorb and utilize iron. People with certain genetic variants may be more susceptible to iron deficiency and may need to consume more iron-rich foods or supplements to meet their needs. By understanding our genetic makeup and its influence on nutrient needs, we can tailor our diets to provide the necessary nutrients for optimal health. Now let's delve into the fascinating topic of food intolerances and allergies. Did you know that food intolerances and allergies can be influenced by your genes? Food allergies, such as those to peanuts or shellfish, are often caused by an overreaction of the immune system to specific proteins in the food. And guess what? Your genes play a role in determining how sensitive your immune system is to these proteins. For example, variations in the genes that encode for immune-related proteins can make some individuals more susceptible to developing food-induced anaphylaxis, a severe allergic reaction. On the other hand, food intolerances, such as lactose intolerance, are typically linked to the body's inability to digest certain components of food. As we mentioned earlier, lactose intolerance is caused by a deficiency of the lactase enzyme, which is responsible for breaking down lactose, the sugar found in milk. This inability to digest lactose is often due to genetic variations that result in reduced lactase enzyme activity. So, how can you determine your genetic predispositions related to food intolerances and allergies? That's where genetic testing can be invaluable. These tests can analyze your DNA and provide insights into your susceptibility to specific food-related conditions. By understanding your genetic makeup, you can take proactive steps to avoid potential issues and ensure your well-being. It's important to remember that while genes play a significant role in shaping our response to food and nutrient needs, they don't tell the whole story. Our environment, lifestyle, and overall health also play vital roles. For example, our gut microbiome, which consists of trillions of bacteria, influences how we digest and metabolize food. The composition of our gut microbiome can affect nutrient absorption, food tolerance, and even our taste preferences. Factors like stress and physical activity can also impact our digestive health and nutrient needs. A sedentary lifestyle, for example, may lead to decreased digestive efficiency and altered nutrient requirements. So, what can you do to support your digestive health and optimize your nutrient intake? Incorporating prebiotics and probiotics into your diet can help nourish your gut microbiome and improve digestion. Probiotics are live bacteria that can be found in fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, while prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for probiotics. Regular exercise can also promote good digestive health and nutrient absorption. Staying physically active helps stimulate bowel movements and ensures efficient digestion. Managing stress through techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can also benefit digestion, as stress can often disrupt the digestive process. By adopting a holistic approach that considers not only genetics but also lifestyle factors, you can support your overall well-being and make informed choices about your diet and habits. In conclusion, our genes significantly influence our response to food, affecting our metabolism, taste preferences, food tolerances, and nutrient needs. By understanding how our genes interact with food, we can personalize our eating plans, manage potential issues, and optimize our health. Genetic testing provides valuable insights into these interactions, allowing us to make informed dietary choices. However, it's crucial to remember that genes are not the only factor at play. Our environment, lifestyle, and overall health also play significant roles in our digestive well-being. Incorporating gut-friendly foods, staying active, managing stress, and considering other relevant factors can help us support our digestive health and nutrient intake. Remember, knowledge is power. By learning about your unique genetic makeup and its influence on your response to food, you can take charge of your health and make positive changes for a better, brighter future. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of personalized nutrition, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback matters to us. And if you're eager to continue exploring more health and wellness tips, subscribe to our channel. We've got a treasure trove of informative videos waiting for you. Thanks for joining us on this episode. Stay healthy and curious, and see you next time.